Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2014 Kia Optima. Car has a battery charging problem. I think the alternator problem look like. Customer said battery is new, so we need to figure out. When you start it up, it's supposed to be more than 13 or 14. Let me shut it down and feel it again. That was to start the car. Then it's supposed to be jumped to more than 13.6 or over 13. So this is not going. When I start, stay like 12.5, 12.2, something like that. So we need to change the alternator. This car have problem with alternator. Let me show you how to open the alternator. First of all, make sure you take the battery terminal off, negative one. First of all, we need to open this belt. There's a belt tensioner right here. You see this test? This is 70 millimeter. If you have a long range, it will be easy. If you have this belt, loosen up now. You just hold the bell like this and use one of this one. I'm going to use the bigger one. So see this? I pinch the bell, so later on when I put it back, I don't need to see the diagram. So we make it easy. So there's a one ball right here. I need to take this off. I think it's 14 millimeter. So take this ball off. There we go. This is out. If you open the tire, it will be more easy. So what I did, I took this 10 millimeter bolt for the SC line here, so I can move this line, and I put the bungee cord in here, so I have more space, little bit more space. So this is the 14 millimeter. So I put this right in here and go underneath and grab this. This 14 millimeter, yes, you can feel it. See, the bolt is loose. And I can use this hand. See, open my hand now. Here you go, you see the bolt right here. You see this? There we go. Bolt is come out. It's pretty long bolt. There, just pry this alternator in here. Pry from here. It's coming. Go. This out. You need to take this harness, attach in here. See, there's a little plastic tab right here. See? So we need to take this off. I'm going to take this off, this one, so I can get more access to the connector. There's only two bolts, one here, one there. Just take these two bolts off. After I open two bolts, so this one you can just move to the side like this. Now you can see this connector right there. So after there, you see this, there's a connector, two connector. Don't open this, this is not the one you need to open. All the way bottom, this one we need to open it. So make a wiggle like this couple times. It will come eventually. Don't come easily, just put one of the thing in the groove like this, and just pick it up right here. See, it's coming out. It's coming out little by little. So there we go. See that? It's out. Right here. So after we see this one, we move to the something like this, and then we can see this connector more easily. See, there's one 12mm nut. It's loose now. See that ball? First you take this ball out, then you can move here anywhere you need. This alternator. See the terminal now? It's very easy. You can get access. Just push the tab and pull it like this. Push it and pull it. It will come out. One ball underneath this. You need to take this off. See, after I take this ball out, take this one here, like so. Be careful not to break this hose, little hose. Now you have more access to pull this. I can just grab. It's very easy now. Just leave it like this. Just pull it straight. Straight. See this? Came out. There we go. So apply right here. Yeah, there's a connector and one bowl. That's it. The reverse is removable. Just put the new one in and put this one back. Put the connector back. This one in. Then when you put all the way in, just put this one and tight 12mm ball, 10 or 12, whatever has come with your alternator. So that's how you replace alternator for.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.